do you have more iced tea with you right now? Hello? Oh, God.
Iced tea energy is 0.
Iced tea energy is 0?
Yeah.
Weird. It's a weird thing to say at the beginning of the recording.
Your beard's weird.
Why is your beard weird? I don't know, Machine Gun Kelly. I didn't cut it. I don't know why you're so upset about it. Why is your beard weird?
Why is your beard weird?
All right.
Show 'em off.
So we've restarted the recording, by the way, if you weren't aware.
I know.
Oh. Well, I gotta reset everything. It's not my fault the freaking camera crashed.
It's not my fault that your camera decided to crash.
Okay.
Ugh. Also, I was gonna tell you.
Time to record this again. Wait. Bringing that joke back. Hope that doesn't grow stale for anybody. Today I'm going to be showing off my brand new 3D printed Bay, which will be the main mascot of the channel until there's an upgrade for it. Uppercut, it's finally busted. All the spares are gone, and I'm just going to let Uppercut kind of fade into the rest in peace. Yeah, that's. So today I'm going to be showing off my new Bay. This is Samuraizor 1. I'm going to be doing some experimentation with this until I can get it right. There's been a few breaking issues, and I also want to make it look as real as possible. I want it to be an actual custom Bay, not just 3D printed. I want it to be a real custom Bay for me. So Samuraizor 1.
Mike,
yeah.
you noticed last recording? You forgot to show how it works.
I'm not going to show how it works.
Why not?
Because it's basically... Shut up. And as you know already, that we're going to be doing it. We're going to be battling up against all the dragons. So
Durgans.
All the Durgans: Ace Dragon, Flare Dragon, and then finally the Ultimate Dragon, Rock Dragon. It's going to be good. You gotta use the Rock Layer base.
We're going to be like, what's wrong with you?
Oh, by the way, it's going to be the first one to 5 points. Oh, God. Oh, God. Okay. Well,
That's right, Samuraizor.
At least Samuraizor's taking point this time. The last recording, we tried to do this. Yeah, I wasn't happy. Samuraizor was not doing well. But, seems it's 1-0. Ew, those dodges. Ew. Oh.
That's right!
That's right! I did it! That's 2-0. I think I don't got this. I'm not feeling this round.
Blader Spirit!
Blader Spirit, Samuraizor! Get it! Oh, that was close.
Oh.
Good Blader Spirit. So that's 2-1. That was swift. There's got to be a name for that. It's like a katana cutting through like its opponent almost.
You know what's really funny, dude?
What?
You know how, like, in anime, when guys with swords will, like, open their blade and shut it and, like, so they don't be cut up?
Yeah.
Well, for me, on my stream, it lagged, so Samuraizor went in for the attack, and then it lagged to it being far away, and Ace Dragon was bursted.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Is that 4-1 now? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Samuraizor!
Oh my god.
That was a pretty solid win.
Jesus.
That was a lot better than last time. I don't know why Dragon was having such great luck. Alright, that's 5-1. Ace Dragon is Ace Lame. Good joke, Quake. Pat on the back.
Hey, Quake. You're being lame. Again, Wade.
Oh, God. I hate you. We're going to be doing Flare Dragon next. Not Flare, Ace. Me? Grand! It's Grand Dragon.
You idiot. You...
They look like the same. They do.
Do you even like Beyblade?
Dude, I'm not LT, okay? Bad, danger. Ooh, danger. 2-0. Dude, my Samuraizors. Oh, by the way, if you're all wondering, no, there's no metal in this because I don't need it to be good.
Yeah, unlike pretty much everyone in the Beyblade community.
Anyways. So that's 2-0.
Anyways. Oh my god.
Oh, and it fell apart in the pocket, too. Alright, that's 3-0.
No. Oh,
wait. I don't want it to burst. Don't. Damn it. Okay, that's 5-0.
Samuraizor, why do you have to be so good?
No, I'm serious. I was like genuinely considering light launching Samuraizor so it would just win by like spin finish or something, so I could finish it with a burst of like so it'd be 6-0 or yeah. All right, but now Samuraizor's greatest challenge lies before him. He must go up against the strongest iteration of dragon there is, the strongest, most powerful dragon, Rock Dragon.
No. Only the Hasbro one's the most ultimate. This is the second most ultimate.
Most ultimate, right here, right now. If I would be lucky if Samuraizor survived this interaction. Oh god, Samuraizor, don't break! By the skin of Samuraizor's teeth, he was able to hang in there against such an edgy god!
Edgelord.
2-0. But Dragon is too powerful for Samuraizor. It'll take the lead for sure. Because it's so powerful and strong. Oh, God. Oh, Samuraizor. Oh. Samuraizor's too powerful. It's gone beyond the strength of a god and a titan. It's something else entirely. That's 4-0, right?
Yes.
Samuraizor!
Oh my god! The way you called it out. Oh.
Alright, so that is Samuraizor's debut battle. I know Dragon isn't necessarily amazing. What?
Imperial.
That's its own separate video.
Oh.
What, you want to... Fine, I'll do Imperial. Jeez.
Yes. Going
straight out, like, straight for the throat
you
right
guys
off the bat.
Just thank me by subscribing to my channel.
Hey, no self-promotion.
So promo, something.
Shut up.
I'm humble.
I know someone who's humble.
You know who deserves a shout out because they're a small Baytuber? Quick. Do you know who deserves it?
I do. I really do.
You already know who deserves it?
I already know who it is, though.
Do you know what the cash flow?
Oh, God. Okay, enough. I'm not worried that he's going to see my channel. I know he doesn't watch my stuff. Because he's too humble for that. So I'm
humble.
So I have the rubber blades exposed, and we have the bound attack. So we're in the second evolution of Imperial. And in my opinion, it's the strongest. I think the bound on top of the rubber is like a really good mix. So
I think evolution in Japanese is pronounced Shinto.
Ah, Christ! I don't think I was ready for this instant. I don't think I was ready. Oh God. Oh God. Spadudios.
Just so you know, Quake. I know you know, but I'm just gonna tell you because I want the fans to know. Switch Frame's biggest weakness is rubber.
Oh yeah, in every way. But I won't let that stop me.
Oh my God!
Holy shit! Oh my god, is my Bay okay? Dude, it almost burst my dragon. That's 1-1, right?
Oh, dude, I literally tumbled.
Dude, I had to reboot my Ignition Dash. Oh god, oh this is bad.
Oh boy, this is not good.
Yeah, this is gonna be a rough one.
You were saying Imperial is what? Imperial's is trash?
Imperial Dragon Ignition Dash is Ignition Trash.
Prove it right here. Get a burst finish. You won't.
Shut up. Don't call me out like this on my channel. This is my channel.
Get called out.
I'm more relevant than you.
You're not humble enough.
God.
2-2.
2-2. What? What were you saying? Huh?
4-2. Does it have the fortitude?
Does Imperial Dragon have the fortitude? I don't think it does. I think Imperial Dragon is Imperial Trash.
3 KOs.
Oh, no! What is that? Is that 3-4?
4-3.
4-3. Who's got 4?
Samuraizor.
Okay. 4-3. Yeah, okay. Sweet, sweet, sweet victory! Yeah! Okay, so if anyone else has any complaints, I think we're done with all the dragons, because Samuraizor just demolished them all, and I did get a burst on it, so I win!
Good job, Quake. Good job, Samuraizor.
Good job, Samuraizor. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the debut battle of Samuraizor. I will be doing improvements, maybe, but for right now, this is it. I'll probably do some cool paint jobs on it later. In the meantime, thank you guys for watching, and, Insta, got anything
what battles do you guys want to see next? Comment down below.
Well, I'm going to be doing all of the main releases.
Alright, which ones are you most hyped to see take on? Samuraizor take on?
Yeah. Which one are you excited to see Samuraizor beat up the most?
Don't say either. Don't say either of the Infinite Lock phase, because those things kind of Shrek.
No, they don't.
They do. They're strong.
I know they're strong, but they can't beat Samuraizor, okay? Samuraizor too strong.
What about Apocalypse?
Apocalypse too weak. All right. Yeah.
Okay.